Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to create a bootable Windows 10 Pro USB using Microsoft USB tool and Rufus tool. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and turn on the notifications. Let's get started. In the first method, first open up your browser and in Google search box type and search for Microsoft USB tool. Click on the first link of Microsoft itself. Select the language and click on download. Wait for the program to download. Go to the location where the file has saved. Right click on it and run as administrator. Install the software and run it. When it opens, click on Browse and select the Windows 10 Pro ISO. In the next step, select USB device. If you are using DVD for booting process, then select DVD. Now connect the pendrive or DVD to which you want to make bootable drive. If it doesn't show up, click on the refresh button and select Begin Copying. At this time, all the previous data will get deleted and the drive is formatted as a new drive. So be careful and copy the data to some other place. Wait for program to complete copying process. It will show you a message backup complete. It's done. In the second method, we are going to use Rufus tool. In Google search box, type and search for Rufus and click on first link. Click on the link which states Rufus along with its version. And wait for it to download. Go to the location where it stored the file and double click on it. If prompted, click on yes. In the device list, the connected device will show up. Make sure correct pen drive is selected. In boot selection, click on select and select the Windows 10 ISO. It will verify the ISO file and give the volume label automatically. Click on start. At this time, the USB will get formatted. Wait for program to complete the process. Thanks for watching. Please do like, comment, subscribe and share this video and turn on the notifications. Your subscription helps me making more helpful videos.